days it feels like there isn't enough of it to go around. Even out here on the edge, you're always bumping into someone or something. When that happens, it's our job to bump them right back. We are the first and the last line.
Wait a minute. I remember that speech. Is this about that time 8 pissed in the sim? We've all heard that story a million times.
He did what? I'd like to hear that.
Fine, but don't say I didn't warn you.
Now, where was I? Right. So 8 was as raw as freshly mined scordite.
Welcome to Sim Training Module 3.4-8, Basic Combat. Thank you for volunteering to defect the
Gunjack, damn AI's on the fritz again. We're supposed to have this thing fixed days ago. Okay, kid, let me run you through the basics. Your turret is a part... No, hang on, that ain't right. Hey, haven't done this in a while. Here we go. The 3 slots in your loadout specify what weapons and modules you'll have access to during your shift. But we'll get to that later. First, let's get you acquainted with your turret's primary controls. Your turret will aim wherever you point the controller. Go ahead. Give it a whirl. Click and hold the touchpad to fire your turret's weapon. You've probably already noticed the target indicators on your HUD. Those indicators point out incoming enemy formation. Keep an eye on them. They could save your life. Reload by swiping down on the touchpad. These old autocannons are reliable, but they ain't fast, so reload whenever you can. Your turret's built to last. Take too much damage, and it will